Good morning, everyone. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options and your morning market prep video for the first day of June 2017, June 1st. Well, this year is going really, really fast. It's hard to believe we're already looking at June here. And the word for the day for me, the two words for the day for me is cautiously optimistic. We have looking at the market here, we've had a beautiful rally, this pullback, and that response at the end of the day, that pushed back by the bulls to hold that support area, absolutely outstanding. Now, we also have to recognize the fact, though, that we are near a price top. So as many people that look at this candle here and say, well, that's a hammer pattern, and it is a hammer pattern, there's going to be an equal number of people to look at that and say, we're at a price high. That is a hanging man. So this can still go either direction. It's because we're around these highs, but I'm holding out a little bit of cautious optimism. Now, we do have a ton of economic data today, and I mean some big reports coming out. First, we have our normal Fed speaker. We can't seem to get away without a Fed speaker anymore. We've got ADP report, jobless claims, PMI manufacturing. Really the two big ones for the day are the ISM number and this petroleum status report. But we also have construction spending. Now, all of these, I will say that all of these have consensus estimates that are looking for positive numbers today. Okay, so we could actually get some inspiration going here. Now, it's going to be really important, I think, if this market is going to hold up, we need to get some participation from oil. And if we continue to see petroleum supply builds, we're going to continue to see oil prices slip. And we need that stabilization here in our oil companies. So if we're going to see this market move higher, that's going to be a really critical number today, I think. Also, this ISM will be a very important number. Now, the ADP number, really missed badly last month, expecting a huge build in jobs that just didn't come in the actual number on Friday. So they're expecting somewhere between about 170 and 177,000 for today. So if we come in there, we're going to be in probably pretty good shape on that. Now, we also have to consider Friday morning, we have the big employment situation report. And what that can mean is the market could just stall. It could just simply wait for that number to come out before we really move. Now, let's keep in mind that a hammer pattern requires follow through. If we don't get follow through, well, a hammer pattern or even a hanging man requires follow through. If we don't get follow through, this wasn't a hammer. Okay, it requires a follow through. And so we need to see some action here. Now, futures are currently flat. They've been kind of wavering around positive and negative all morning, okay? But they're essentially flat. And, well, I think it's going to depend on how all of these numbers roll out today, whether we get inspired to move or if we just kind of fall flat on our face today. Because of that, I want to be cautiously optimistic. I want to be bullish, okay? And I'm holding bullish positions. I'm going to continue to hold bullish positions until I see this, potential failure occur. I mean, I need to see proof. And I will need to see proof of, a follow-through upside of this movement as well. So there's the diamonds. If we look at the SPY very much similar. The only difference is this is more of a consolidation, and this hammer looks much more like a hanging man here than it does a hammer. And it's because of its placement in the pattern. There was really no significant pullback here. To remember, a hammer needs to form at a bottom, not at a top. So at a top, it's considered more of a hanging man. Again, it has to have follow through. This could be nothing more than choppy price action in a sideways move as we wait for data. Okay. IWM came back strongly yesterday, but there's still nothing good about this chart. We're still downtrending. We still failed. You know, we failed at support, or resistance. We failed at trend. I mean, we're just not looking good here. Okay, so nothing here, at least yet, is inspiring. I'm gonna have to see this breakout, that hold as support, and then I'll get happy with IWM. But right now, I gotta tell you, IWM looks to me like high probability this level right here will be tested. And then let's take a look at the Qs. QQQ, been very strong, obviously extremely strong. This was a little bit concerning yesterday. The rally back at the end of the day was certainly helpful. And the Qs are showing just a tiny bit of positiveness here early in the morning. Watch this closely. If this starts to roll, remember, this has been the powerhouse. If this starts to roll, it will affect the rest of the market. So be prepared for that if that does occur. Okay, everyone, have a great day. And I will be around all day, Right Way Options at regular time. Folks, if this is the first time you've visited or seen this video, please do me a favor. Give me a like on Facebook and follow me on Facebook, and also subscribe here on YouTube. I would really appreciate it. Come back every day for the same installment of the Morning Thoughts. Okay, everyone, I will talk to you all soon. Take care.